In today's video, I'm going to teach you what Morningstar stock and fund ratings tell you. If you've ever been curious about how to better understand your investment options, then you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into a couple of key types of ratings: the Morningstar star ratings for funds and the Morningstar analyst ratings, along with Morningstar ratings for stocks. Let's start with the Morningstar star ratings. These are particularly important for mutual funds and ETFs. The star ratings range from 1 star to 5 stars. Essentially, these ratings are an assessment of how well a fund has performed historically after accounting for risk and fees compared to its peers. A fund with 5 stars is in the top 10% of performers based on risk-adjusted returns, suggesting historically strong performance. A 4-star rating indicates above average performance, while 3 stars imply an average performance. As we move down to 2 and 1 star, these funds are considered below average and in the lowest 10% respectively. Think of these stars like a school report card. However, it's rooted in past performance. It's crucial to keep in mind, though, that past performance doesn't guarantee future results. Moving on to the Morningstar analyst ratings, this part relies on the expertise of analysts and their forward-looking opinions. They use terms like gold, silver, bronze, neutral, and negative to express their confidence in a fund's potential to outperform in the long run. A gold rating reflects the strongest conviction due to good management, low fees, and a sustainable strategy. Silver and bronze hold a positive outlook, but with a bit less assurance. Neutral suggests a fund that isn't outstanding, but also not particularly lacking. And a negative rating warns of likely underperformance. Think of these like an expert recommendation, offering a more forward-looking perspective compared to star ratings. Now, turning to Morningstar ratings for stocks. These ratings assess the fair value of a company. The fair value estimate is what analysts believe the stock is truly worth. Based on this analysis, the star ratings for stocks follow a similar pattern. Stocks with 5 stars are viewed as undervalued, representing a potentially great buying opportunity, while stocks with 4 stars are slightly undervalued. 3 stars are fairly priced, 2 stars suggest overvaluation, and 1 star means very overvalued. If you find stocks with 4 or 5 stars, they might be bargains when compared to their true worth. Finally, it's vital to know how to use these ratings effectively. Fund star ratings can help you compare a fund's past performance against its peers. Meanwhile, analyst ratings provide expert opinions on future performance, and stock ratings help identify undervalued opportunities. That being said, remember not to rely only on these ratings. Always combine these insights with your own research to ensure a well-rounded understanding of your investment choices. Thank you for joining today, and I hope you feel more empowered to make confident investment decisions.